You will need a square sheet of origami paper, and if the pattern is only on one side, you're going to want to start it with the first folds being on the outer side. So you're going to do a triangular fold from corner to corner, making sure to line up neatly. Open it up and do the same on the opposite corner. So you should have an X from diagonals. Now you're going to flip it over and you're going to fold it in half into a rectangle, matching up corners, with the interior side of the paper on the outside right now. Open it up, turn it around, and do the other way. Open your sheet of paper and it will naturally want to crease up. You're going to take two opposite sides and push them together so that you get two triangle shapes. If you have a creaser, you can use that instead of your fingers. Okay, so have the middle pointed towards you, and you're going to take the outer edges and fold them down, making sure your center line is lined up and that this edge is one continuous line. Now you're going to roll up this corner and pass the edge just a little bit. You're not folding, you're just rolling. This edge right here is going to come up just past the edge, like so. With a little bit of an overlap, making sure you're still aligned and centered, and fold over that corner. So you can see it's not folded, it is just rolled, and it gives the butterfly a neat shape. Now if you pinch these together, this can be the tricky part because it wants to open up. If you're using thicker paper, it's really going to want to open up, so you're going to want to really do a good job with that crease. And if you want to round out your wings, you're just going to fold these down. You can also cut them. I like to fold them and try to get them about even. The bottom wings as well. Pay attention to your angles so that they look symmetrical. And you could either leave it like that. As you can see, it really does want to unfold. So be careful with that. You can leave it like that, cut them, or what I like to do is actually tuck in those corners. So before you go any further, if you want to put some glue right here and hold it, make sure that it is fully adhered before letting go. That is a good option. You just need regular school glue. Elmer's glue will do just fine. So once again, you can take these corners and just cut them, or what I prefer is to tuck them in. So after they're creased, you can invert that fold and just work your way around and get all four. And there you go. If you're going to make a bunch of these, you might want to glue them and use something like a clip or pin to hold that head area down so you don't have to hold it for too long while that glue dries. Now that you know how to make this butterfly, you can do cute crafts with them. You can string them and make a mobile, or make a bunch and stick them to a wall in a little cluster. Vary the size and it looks super cute. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.